One sunny morning, Elephant Baby got the hiccups. Hic, he went. But every hiccup made him sneeze. Achoo! Leaves flew off trees. A nest tumbled down. Monkeys flipped from vines. Oh no, cried Parrot. We have to help. Lion brought honey. Try this. Hic! Achoo! The honey flew into Lion's mane. Giraffe said, hold your breath. Elephant Baby tried, but, hic! Achoo! Giraffe's hat flew into the river. All the animals giggled. Elephant Baby felt sad. I didn't mean to make a mess. Then Turtle said, let's all hiccup together. They made funny hiccup sounds, hic hic ho. Elephant Baby laughed and laughed. And suddenly, no more hiccups. The jungle cheered. Elephant Baby smiled and said, thank you, friends. But then, hic! Achoo! This time, everyone flew into a big pile, laughing all over again.